Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Amanda Ray here if you don't know who I am. Today is a super exciting but nervous day for me because we are going to get the Camaro tuned after getting the supercharger put on. So I'm super scared. We have everything done and buttoned up on the Camaro, I think. So we're taking it to Cal, who is the same person who tuned my CTSV. So we're hoping everything runs smooth and he gives us the go-ahead to tune it. I cannot wait to hear how he's going to make this car sound with the cams. I'm just so stoked. So I'm going to go ahead and do a cold start for you, and I will catch you guys back in a few. Alright guys, so we are here at Cal's shop. Super excited. We got the car strapped down and he did a tune, like a bass tune. The injectors give him a hard time. The D-Schwartz injectors were really difficult for him to pull up the diagram, but he made it work. So we are going to see what this baby pulls. Super excited. I'll show you guys a walk around of the car. It is right now just strapped down. Super pretty. Well, dirty, but probably should have washed it. Super quiet in the shop right now. So that's basically where we're at. He is just doing a couple more things before we do the first pull. I'm super excited. Look at that Cadillac over there though. Woo, look at that baby. Alright.
Dyno before with me, so I'm scared to see what it's gonna pull. I like sitting on this side so I can see the screen over there. Can't see Cal because the windows are kind of dark, but we'll see what it does. There he goes. First official pull.
Good. It was ridge,
yeah.
So that's why I stayed into it. But it was ridge, but I still got to pull some timing out.
Give me a lot of smoke back there.
It's probably the first time it's been. I mean, it's way ridge.
It's the first time it's ever been hit hard like that.
Yeah, it's way ridge. So we're getting ready to. I'm gonna lean it way out.
What did it make?
I don't know. I gotta have Jake fix that in there, or I'll have to get out in a second.
Oh no, you're fine.
Yeah, I'll get it.
Which is not bad. He changed a lot of things on the tune just now, so it might idle differently. We're going to see how it starts. It might not idle at all. It does not want to idle.
Runaway ridge.
It is crazy.
Yeah, it's runaway ridge. I'm gonna have to. Once I change that map system calibration, I'm starting all over. That's why it's rolling the idle and all that.
That was insane.
Okay, we'll get it. We'll get some of that out now.
the very, very end.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, you can tell by the curve it's coming back down.
Yeah.
I mean, I guess I don't have to. Here's the other. If you want me to get you a bigger number, I probably can.
Yeah. Alright, so that pass was a 635, but he did let off right at the end. He says that if he held it, it would have got a couple extra horsepower. So he is going to do a couple more pulls, and then he's going to do one more pull. Alright guys, so this is officially the last pull.
guys, so the Camaro is officially tuned. I am home now. My battery died. I did not anticipate being at Cal's for as long as I was, so I did not bring a backup battery. But as you can see, the Camaro is home. I still need to put the hood on, which is not a big deal. So some upgrades that we need to do to make more numbers is we have a 6-rib system on it right now. And he recommended to at least go to an 8-rib. And in order to do that, these pulleys, this one and this one, have to be upgraded. And then this has to be upgraded, and the bottom has to be upgraded. And of course, the power steering under there has to be upgraded, all to 8-rib. And then this belt has to be upgraded to an 8-rib also. And the belt was actually slipping on the pulls. I noticed it on probably like the 2nd or 3rd pull. The belt looked like it was actually coming off, and it was walking on the pulley. It was walking. It's crazy. And you can also see, sort of see, it's not even at the right spot right here. So it could go a lot tighter if we have a shorter belt. So we either need to get a shorter 6-rib belt or upgrade to an 8-rib system, which is on my to-do list. Also need to do flex fuel. I could gain so much power doing flex fuel, but my injector duty cycle is pretty high. It's at 83%. So if I'm going to go flex fuel, I have to do bigger injectors, more fuel. So upgrades to come on the Camaro. Stay tuned, guys, and thanks for watching.